What may be causing your acne? Acne occurs as a result of clogged pores, which may be due to increased oil production, dead skin accumulation, or bacteria on the face, mostly propionibacteria. Acne also occurs in the chest, back, or upper arms as small bumps that may be pus-filled or solid lesions. So it's not only on the face, there are also other parts that are affected. Some of the habits that may be causing your acne include facial exposure to dirt, which may be from the phone, a dirty pillowcase, dirty hands, or a dusty environment. Cosmetics may contain products that may clog your pores or you may be allergic to. Excessive sebum production, there are people who have oily skin, which may result to acne. Hot or humid conditions may develop or worsen acne as too much moisture in the air may clog the pores. Psychological stress may exacerbate acne symptoms. This is basically because of the production of stress hormones. Stress acne occurs in the oiliest parts of the face. So once you're experiencing stress and you start getting acne, you'll realize that the oiliest parts of your face are the ones that are affected most. Period acne occurs due to hormonal changes, where excess hormonal imbalances occur. Some medication have also been found to cause acne, and they include hormonal contraceptives. Although they may be used in treating acne, they have also been found to cause acne. Some anabolic and androgenic steroids, corticosteroids, tricyclic antidepressants, some antituberculosis drugs such as isoniazid, rifampicin, and ethionamide, immunomodulators such as cyclosporin and sirolimus have been found to cause acne, according to the studies that have been conducted. Identifying the cause of your acne is crucial in deciding the acne management plan that you will take. Because if you have hormonal acne and you don't work on balancing your hormones, your acne won't go away and it will persist. If your acne is not hormonal and you try hormonal remedies, they won't work.